Fine powder ball press, applicable scope and advantages. Fine powder ball press is used to press a variety of fine powder, iron oxide, steel slag, resistant materials, and other equipment. All the powder to burn the material need fine powder ball press. Fine powder ball pressing machine, reliable quality, multi-purpose, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium and small enterprises with a certain scale of production line use, suitable for industrial gas, boiler type, cold pressure type focus, ignition briquette, civil metallurgy, resistant materials, medicine, and other materials forming. After years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, fine powder ball pressing machine has the advantages of high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging.